There is satisfaction in the presence of the Lord. There is contentment in the presence of the Lord. Wala na tayong hahanapin pa sa lugar na kung saan naroon ang banal na presensya ng Panginoon. Sa oras na ito, minsan pa natin awitin, nais kong mamasdan ang iyong kagandahan, Panginoon. Mamasdan ang iyong kagandahan. Desire for more. Desire for more of God's power this morning. Desire for more of God's presence this morning. Let's express your love to the Lord your God. Let us just worship. Let us just worship the Lord.
Nais ko